this video, we'll guide you through how can you use locate command in Minecraft. If you want to use a locate command on Minecraft, you just have to follow the steps. So what you want to do is basically you want to open up your Minecraft application, or you want to go ahead and log in and play the game. In order to use any command in the Minecraft, you need to make sure that the command is enabled in the Minecraft. Only then you'll be able to use it. So here what you want to do is you want to go ahead and pause the game, and you'll be able to see the game menu. After which you want to go ahead and click on open to LAN. Next you'll be able to see this sort of page. So here you want to go ahead and click on allow command and click on the button. After which what you want to do is open the chat up, and then you could see these sort of prompts. Here you could go ahead and look for any of it. You could press that, and you want to go ahead and locate. You'll be able to find three different options, that is biome, bio, and structure. So you could go ahead and locate for each one of it, and then you want to close, and then you could see the prompt. So here you could go ahead and press on any of these link or prompt, and you could actually go ahead and type in the prompt that you want to look for or that you want to locate it, and that's the way you could go ahead and use command or locate command in Minecraft. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.